63 at the Savannah airport right now. Still some cloudy skies. Winds beginning to pick up. Humidity 97%. So before that front moves through, some of our coastal communities could just have a little bit of patchy fog here and there, but that cold front should sweep it all out. We are mostly dry right now, a few spotty showers with that cold front. Now today we had downpours throughout the late morning, into the afternoon, into the evening as well. North of I-16, multiple inches of rain lining up. Radar estimates of over 6 inches in some spots, a little bit less closer to the coastline, just under an inch. At Savannah and around those island communities as well. No pressure to our north. Cold front slicing across the southeast, delivering some gusty conditions, but clear skies out the door tomorrow morning. So for that morning forecast, breezy and sunny. We will kick things off at 7 a.m. in the upper 40s, and we'll get up into the mid 50s come lunchtime. Highs in the 60s for that afternoon and evening drive. Future wind gusts, you can see that front slicing through the coastal empire and low country. Like I mentioned during that first weather forecast, don't be too focused on the specific numbers here. Now, 38 miles per hour could happen again at this specific time, but that range between 30 and 40 miles per hour overnights, tonights, maybe even some isolated power outages, and then decreasing past noon tomorrow from the upper 20s in that mile per hour gust range to near 15 to 25 miles per hour toward the evening. So we'll start off a lot more windy in the morning, then we'll calm things down by the afternoon hours. You can look at that as well, observing the hourly forecast. Those wind gust numbers drop. We're talking about wind range between 15 to 20 miles per hour, getting closer to 5 miles per hour by tomorrow at 8 p.m. High temperatures in the low 60s. Westerly wind should keep all of us in that same temperature range, nice and seasonable. And we'll stay dry once that cold front moves through. 0% up until Saturday, and then our next weather maker could deliver some rain. And look at the next few days. We have that beautiful dry pattern, 60s, maybe even 70-degree weather later on in the week, getting closer to Thursday into Friday before we have a bit of a change when our next cold front moves through come next Sunday. But tonight, 49 degrees, any sort of shower should be out and about pretty quickly. Then we'll drop in temperature tomorrow just to the low 60s, a bit breezy in the morning, like I mentioned. Then we'll calm things down by the afternoon into the evening hours. 70s returning, upper 60s, low 70s Thursday and Friday. Valentine's Day right on the money, near that normal high with some sunshine. A beautiful stretch of weather for us here in the southeast for the second week of February. I'll take it. Although some lows in the 30s may require jacket, hats, and gloves in the morning, but by the afternoon hours, it's pretty much Hawaiian shirt season out there. Now, rain showers return Saturday into Sunday. Could be seeing another dip in the temperature, but then past that, the Climate Prediction Center is already beginning to talk about warm weather returning. You can check out our first warning weather blog. Just type in fox20savannah.com and click on weather. I'm going to send it back to you, Andrew. Have a great night, Savannah.